What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the post-hop shot in NBA 2K26. This move gives you more space than a regular fade, which is really helpful, especially if you play in the post or run as a center. It's definitely a move you wanna master, especially when going up against smaller defenders. Alright, let's break it down. When you are posting up, you usually hold L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox and push the right stick away from the basket to do a fade. But if you wanna do a hop shot, it's a little different and it gives you extra room to shoot. Here's how you do it. Hold L2 or LT to post up, then hold R2 or RT, then push the right stick away from the basket. Your player will take a quick hop before shooting. That's the post hop shot animation. There's another way too. While holding L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox, just hold the square button on PlayStation or hold X on Xbox. That will also make your player hop away and take the shot. But honestly, the easiest and smoothest way is to hold R2 or RT while posting up, then flick the right stick away. That one gives you the cleanest separation and works every time once you get the timing right. And that's pretty much it. It's simple, quick and really effective in the post. If this video helps you out, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.